That's right, everyone. Wearing my glasses this morning. My eyes, I got something in my eyes. I don't even know what it is. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. I am at Pacific Shores in Newport, Oregon. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm going to flip you around because you don't need to look at me and my swollen eye. There we go. Pacific Shores in Newport, Oregon. Arguably the nicest RV park in the Pacific Northwest. This is an amazing building. I love the clubhouse here. I love these ceilings. I love this room. It's so cool. There's 3 levels of this clubhouse. So much going on this week. It's Owners Week. We were here a year ago. Stay with us. I've got a coach to show you that's for sale. It is a beautiful quad slide. You can see it right over there in the distance. Right over there on a beautiful lot. Here's the pool here at Pacific Shores. Pardon my reflection. There's the pool. This is a really, really nice park, you guys. Right on the Pacific Coast Highway and right on the ocean. Pacific Shores has been here for several decades, and it just continues to get better and better. And it's evident over the last couple of years with these Owners Week celebrations that they have. I'm going to take you outside here, and I'm going to show you what's going on because we're just starting to get set up. In fact, we'll go through here through the kitchen. Everybody, we're live on Facebook. Say hello and good morning.
Good morning.
Woo! Hello. It's a big celebration here at Pacific Shores. Owners Week is a big deal down here, and we love being involved. Marathon and the commitment that we have to Pacific Shores is shown right here. There's my man, Pete Sutton, head of marketing. Pete is working on setting up our Pacific Island Tiki display today because there's a big pig roast today. We're going to look at the pigs roasting. We're going to look at Coach 1287, which is a new quad slide that's on consignment. But I wanted you to see there's also signage right there. We're hiding tikis, giving away prizes. This is the City of Del Mar rescue surfboard for the lifeguards. Turned into a bar. It's so cool. Not neat. Surfboard signs right there, and the hand-carved tiki birds done by Pete himself. So cool. Pete, how's your morning?
Not bad. Don't forget, we're going to hide that tiki this morning, so if somebody finds it, that's worth a bottle of something good. But while you're out, scope out something really cool.
You got it.
Someplace where it's hard to find.
So Pete just mentioned that. One of the things I'm going to show you when we go over to that coach is the actual tiki we're going to hide. And we are hiding this awesome hand-carved tiki. And it's going to be something else. This is where they're roasting the pig. There we go. Morning, guys.
Morning. How are you today?
Doing good. We're live on Facebook.
Nice.
On the Marathon Monday show. I see you guys are getting ready for...
Pigs are in there.
The pigs are in there. Okay.
They're cooking.
The pigs are in there. That's the name of my new album. All right. We're going to jump in this. We're going to roll over. We're going to go around the park. Let's do it, you guys. If you've never been to Pacific Shores, you've got to come to this park, you guys. Got to come here. This is a fantastic place. It's literally an hour and 20 minutes from the Marathon headquarters. There's a couple of marathons right next to each other. And right around the corner, I'm going to give you a really nice view of the ocean here in just a second. Take a look at this coach. 1287 quad slide, bath and a half. We're going to go on in just a second, but I wanted to show you the view from this lot. Still a little morning fog, but there in the distance, if you can see it out there, is the Yaquina Bay Lighthouse. A big thanks to Kirk and Jamie Chapman, who let me park on their lot. I love Pacific Shores. This is such a great thing. I grew up coming to the Oregon coast as a kid, and to be able to come down here and represent Marathon is just an honor. All right, 1287, we're going in. This is a great coach, you guys. This is a new for sale quad slide. We're going to start in the back, but the first thing I want to show is this beautiful floor. This is actually an upgrade from the original build. Beautiful backsplash there. You've got the commode and then the washer dryer hidden right here. So it's not a super bath, but it is a rear bath. The half bath is in the rear. And if I stand in that, you'll see just how much room is in this coach. Very nice colors. Lots of closet space. All tile work with a bench in the shower. Isn't that beautiful? For a coach that's coming up on 6 years old, this is a beautiful coach. Only 33,000 miles on this coach. L-shaped dinette and a sofa. This is a sofa sleeper. So it's not just a jackknifing sofa, it actually is a sleeper. 2 recliners with the multi-purpose ottomans. As you can see, you've got this function. You flip it over and it's a cocktail table behind the driver. How about that fireplace? And I love the tile work around the angled fireplace. You've got a TV that comes down over the cockpit, and you've got a TV over behind the driver. Yeah. Michael's asking about the Tiki. There he is right there. Isn't that cool? This is the Tiki that we're hiding, you guys. Hand carved by Pete Sutton from our marketing team. Isn't this neat? Hand carved and painted. We hide this in the park. When they find it, they've got to call me. It's got my name and phone number on the bottom. And then they get a really cool prize from Marathon. It's really something cool that we do, not only here at Pacific Shores, but down in the desert. I want to show you one more function that is really unique to this coach. So you've got the TV here over the cockpit. You've got the TV there on the left-hand side of your screen. That's right by it's in the salon slide out, right behind the driver. But also, you got this guy, which I believe is a 55-inch behind the sofa. That's why the sofa is pushed out a little bit in this floor plan, but just a hair, so you can have this cabinetry behind the sofa with another TV, so that when you're sitting over here in these 2 recliners, you got room for that guy right there. Isn't that neat? Coach 1287, neutral colors throughout. Take a look at this cockpit. 33,000 miles. The bays are all done up too, you guys. The bays have all kinds of really cool storage with slide outs and a refrigerator. Really nice quad slide available for sale right now. MALW, M-A-L-W at marathoncoach.com. This one's not going to last long in our inventory. Neutral colors on both the inside and the outside. Isn't that pretty? All right. Over the last few minutes, we've gotten a little bit of clearing out here. You can see the lighthouse in the distance over there. Beautiful. All right, you guys, I'm going to get out of here for the day. We got a lot going on. I'm going to be doing some Mal on the Move episodes, so look for my live feeds coming from Pacific Shores this week. We've got the pig feed tonight. We've got a golf tournament coming up in a couple of days. ice cream social. We got a food truck day. There's all kinds of things. A big thanks to Kirk and Jamie Chapman, who are about to be the newest owners of their marathon coach, but this is their beautiful lot. And a big thanks to Jim and Diana Grossen, who hosted Marathon down here this week. And a big thanks to everyone here at Pacific Shores for having us. It's our honor to be involved in Owners Week. And a big thanks to Pete Sutton and his marketing team for coming down and supporting. Yeah, this is a beautiful location. Thanks you guys for watching Marathon Mondays. I'm going to get out of here. We got a lot going on, so watch for more videos this week. Be yourself. Do good things. Take care of each other. I was here, now I'm gone.